Hello, my name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a different car, Mercedes C300. It's a smaller car than my S560. This is actually my wife's car, but we ran into a little bit of issue with it. The year is 2011 and right now I'm going to change the camera view. The driver's side door doesn't open because the handle broke. So I'm going to change view and show you what's going on, show you how we're going to fix it. And this handle right here, when you open it up, my wife called me one day saying, honey, I can't open the door from the inside. She actually have to put her hand outside and open the door like that. And we've been to the mechanic twice so far. First to figure out what, if the cable actually disconnected from this, only to find out that when I ordered just the handle is built into the unit. So we actually had to order the whole piece of this. And Mercedes wanted, of course, an astronomical fee, but I found the same part number on the internet with the same color for a lot cheaper. So, this is just going to be a short, quick video. And what we're going to do for this, I'm going to bring it back to mechanic, have him swap out this piece here, have him swap this piece out, and then put on the new piece, and then we'll be back in business. So it's just one of those things, one of those little things that, breaks in your car, but, don't despair. There's always solution to it. Either you become creative in how to spend money very wisely without going broke, or, if money's not an object, go to the dealership and have them do it for you. But this is what the video is going to be on. So it's going to be short, quick, and sweet. All right, so the part number I ordered for that door panel is A204-720-9662, and the 7E94 is the color of the panel. So this is, I ordered this from the internet. Let me take it out and show you what it basically looks like. And this is it. It's the color gray. And these little empty spots we're just gonna pull from the other side of the car, the old door panel. And this is the back of it. Now, how do I know that this is the right number? Because this is what I pulled from the other door panel. And this is what was actually broken, which is this piece right here, completely broke off. And you can't just buy the handle because this is one unit. But this is basically it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it to the mechanic, have him remove the old panel, put in this new one, and then I'll show you the broken panel when he takes it off. Removing this, which is here. Alright, so we're back home. Mechanic fixed everything, and notice with the door you can open it up. The only thing I have to put back is the speaker grill, which is this, and of course everything lined up. I just lined everything up just now, and that's about it. But this is it. And I want to say this. There's going to come a time where you're going to need outside help. And that's why it's very important for you to build a relationship with your trusted mechanic. I've seen the same mechanic with the 10 plus cars I had over the years, and he worked on every single one. He worked on this car, Worked on my my 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550 as well as my 2018 Mercedes-Benz S560 and various other cars. You want to build a relationship. And the same thing for my tire guys. I have 2 tire places that I go to build a relationship with them, because I'm pretty sure if you're having trouble trying to loosen those lugs from your car tires, you're going to have trouble. You may need to go to them for help. So just want to say that, but just happy the way how this turned out, ordering the part and everything. Of course, I didn't get the part from Mercedes. Went on the internet, did my research, got the part number, and ordered it, then saved a few $100s. So hopefully you learned a lot from this video. And like I always say, like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you soon.